Hi, Scott Rosano with you from Gigbuilder.com, and we're going to teach you how to use the Gigbuilder 6 live request system. It'll also be available in version 5 after May 3rd, 2018. To access your live request, the first thing we do is navigate to an event, open it, and go to the Music tab. We'll look on the 12th. Let's go ahead and open this event up here. We'll click Edit. We'll go to the Music tab. And the live request system is here in the middle. Does not reserve a code to begin with, so we'll go ahead and type it. We can type anything we want. I can type in the word. It's always going to be party, but let's make this party time. Click register code, and if everything is fine, it'll let you know. We're good to go on that, and all we have to do is save. On the day of the event, your live system must be activated. You may either text the party code to your phone number, which we'll show in a second, or click on the Go Live button. When you click on the Go Live panel, it takes you immediately to the live request system, asks for your name, sign in, and the entire panel shows up. The advantage here is that you can use this on any device. It doesn't require text back, and the Gigbuilder live system will expand to fit whatever screen you're in. This is perfect for an iPad, a tablet, or laptop. At the event, your clients simply type in the word party, followed by the code, and they send it to this phone number, the 574 number. Once that happens, the event is connected, and then click the link to begin. Simply put in their first and last name, and they now have access to the entire live request system where they can pick songs. They can also browse the songbook, find something off of that, click a song, and hit the play to playlist. And finally, they can also use even the menu option up at the top, other than the boxes, and we can also view history so they can see what's going on. Assuming you open the admin on a tablet or laptop, you'll see the following page containing a number of boxes. This is a dashboard, and future versions will also have additional views and options. The top left, this will be the top on mobile devices, shows the live request stream. When first activated, this list will display all the guest requests that were made before the event, and will show any new incoming requests, event guests, using the app. If you click the green button, the thumbs up button, it'll immediately send it to the most play list. The red button immediately sends it to don't play. You can also click on any song for more details. You can also move it to any category. Just leave it where it is. The bottom left, this will be the second section on mobile devices, displays your song list history. When you press play, any song, it's automatically added to the list. Future versions will automatically pull the song from Virtual DJ once played. Your guests will be able to see the play status as well. Press remove if you need to take something off of the playlist. On the right side are 4 categories, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the same categories used in Gigbuilder and will initially show all requested songs by the client. You can manually create a new request in either the must play or should play by clicking the button, finding the song, typing the song, and saving changes. Similarly to the live request stream, clicking on any item will bring you up more information on the item and any dedication that may have been made. Additional screens in the future will be added to view event worksheets, simplify some of the request details, and more.